part of the video, that is today we'll solve exercise 1.2 in my channel Ankur Tutorials. Here we will see all the questions that are basic. I think it's very basic questions, and 1 or 2 marks can come for CBSE students from this exercise, as well as 3 marks questions can be arised from these 3 and 2 marks for SEBA students. Already 2 or 3 times in previous consecutive years from this exercise many questions came. So let us try to solve. In the first part we will be solving all the basic things. In the second part we will be seeing the 5th question, that is check whether 6n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number. Okay, let us start exercise 1.2. The first question is express each number as the product of its prime factors. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. So कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टर्स, तो प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकलना सभी को आता है. इट्स लाइक HCF itself. तो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 140. First we see this number is even number, therefore I can divide it by 2. That means prime factors means you have to divide all the number with prime numbers, and you must know all the basic prime numbers, that are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and so on. Okay, so you must know all the prime numbers first. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers that are only divisible by itself and 1. If I see 7 is divided by 1, so it becomes 7. Or 7 is divided by 7, it becomes 1. 7 is divided by 7, it becomes 1. Only these two numbers are divisible. We can say that 1 and 7 are the only products by which it can be divided. So on the other hand, we see 140 divided by 2, it becomes 70 divided by 2. How much? 70 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 0, 5s are 10. So it becomes 35. 35 is again expressed in the form of divided by 5, so it becomes 7. And 7 is itself a prime number, so no need to divide. So we get 140 equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So it can also be written as, how many 2's are there? 1 and 2. So it becomes 2 to the power 2 into 5 is 1 times into 7. So it is expressed in the form of as the product of its prime factors. I hope you have understood. Okay, let's move to next question, 3825. Let us see the third question of the same big number. The number is 3825. So if I divide 3825, first we have to see it is divisible by 2. No. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, so on. Is it divisible by 2? No. Because it has 5 as in its unit place, therefore it becomes an odd number. So let us check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So how to check that? You just add these numbers. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. One time. So let us divide properly. 3, 8, 2, 5, 3. One time 3. 8 comes down. 2 times 6. 2 comes down. And from here 2 comes down. Here 2 is left and 2 comes down. 7 times 21. 1 is left. 5 times 15. 3 5s are 15. 1 to 7 5. Again let us see whether 1 to 7 5 is divisible by 3 or not. For that again the same process applies. 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5. How much? 3, 10, 15. Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. 4, 2 and 5. How? 1, 2, 7, 5 divided by 3. 4 times 12. 7 comes down. 2 times 6. 1, 5, 5, 15. 425. Again let us check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Again the same process applies. 4 plus 2 plus 5. 6, 11. No, 11 is never divisible by 3. Because 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, not 11. So by 5 it can go. 425 divided by 5. Because after 3, 5 is the next prime number. And it is already divisible by 5. Because it has 0, if any number is divisible by 5 if it has 0 or 5 in its end, in its unit place. So in its unit place it is 5. Therefore this number is divisible by 5. 8 times 40, 2 5, 5 times 85. Again this number is divisible by 5. So it becomes 135. 85 divided by 5. 1 time 5. 1 time 5. 3, 5, 7 times 35. And 17 itself is a prime number. So no need to divide it again. So we can write, I hope you all can see, 3825 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. So it becomes how many 3? 2. 3 to the power 2 into how many 5? 5 to the power 2 into 7. I hope you all have got this process. Just take a screenshot, note it down, and if you have any confusion, just to contact me on this number, on my WhatsApp number 7002 809954. Any problem, any sort of problem, if you have, any medium students can ask me. I will try to solve their queries, their problems. Okay, and it's not like that I will not respond or busy very much. No, it's lockdown period. It's how much social distancing we can keep, that much better we can save our country as well as our state. Okay, now let's move on to second question. Note the number. I would be erasing that number. So the second question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers integers and verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so first we will find HCF and LCM, then we will go for verification. So the first question is 26 and 91. 26 and 91. So first we find HCF. Here HCF. Here we will find LCM. Here we will verify. So for finding HCF, I hope you all can see here 26 2s are 13, 13 one time, 91 by 2 it will not go because it is an even odd number. By 3 it does not go because 9 plus 1 is 10. By 5 it does not go because 0 or 5 is not in its unit place. So it will go by 7. 7 1 is 7, 21, 2 is left, 91 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7, 2 is left, 1 comes down, 3 is 21. So remainder is 0, 13. So 26 gives you 2 into 13 into 1, and 13 itself is a prime number, so you can do or not do, that's your choice. 91 is equal to 7 into 13 into 1. Therefore HCF equals to 13 and into 1. 13 into 1 is equal to 13. We got our HCF. Now for finding LCM, we require both the numbers together. By 2 this number goes by 2, but this does not. So we divide it. Now this number goes by 2. This number, but this number remains as it is. Again, by 3 it will not go, by 4 it will, by 5 it will not go, by 7 91 goes, as we have seen in HCF. 13 will remain as 13, it will become 13, and 13 ones are 13. So LCM equals to 2 into 7 into 13, that is 2 7s are 14 into 13. If you solve 14 into 13, you will get 12, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 1, 182. So LCM we got 182. Now come to the verification part. Now coming to the verification part, we have LHS. What we have to find? LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So this part is LHS left hand side, and this part is right hand side. See, this part is right hand side, this part is left hand side, and in between this is equal remains, not this way. This is right, this will become right. So if I face the blackboard and I write, this becomes right and this becomes left. So in your copy, when you will write, this portion will become your left and this portion will become your right. Therefore it is LHS and RHS. So LCM into HCF becomes, LCM is how much? LCM into HCF is equal to 13 into 182. 182, 13, 2 3s are 6, 24, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 8, 1, 6, 6, 5 8s are 13 3 1 2 2 3 6 6 and RHS, let us see, product of two numbers equals to, what are the number? 26 and into 91. So it comes 26 into 91. If I see 6 2 9 6 are 54 4 5 is left, 9 2 is 18 19 20 21 22 23 2 3 6 6 3 2, just basic operation, 2 3 6 6. So on both the sides we see, on both the sides we see that our left hand, the value of left hand side and our right hand side are same. Therefore LHS equal to RHS and hence verified. Okay, I hope you all have understood this much. This is the process that also comes for TET examinations. Further, if possible, I will be conducting TET session for Assam students, how to prepare for TET exam, CTET exam, as CTET exam has already been postponed for 1 year. So if other people except class 10 are also viewing this, please